Hello everyone, my name is Shynar and today me and my group will demonstrate our password manager project implemented in Java. It will contain such function as first, securely store and manage passwords using IS encryption, retrieving and updating password securely, protecting the password data stored in database file, implementing a master password for access control, password generation, password string evolution, secure password sharing option. Now Amir will demonstrate and explain how to use function of our project.
Thank you, Shynar. So now, as a system manager of the project, I will show you how the actual product works. So here we have the final package, which includes several files where we have our code of the program. Here you can see it, and after that, after my presentation, Daniel will describe how detailed code works. So here's the main thing is how to use the code is firstly we start the main file, and first of all we need the master password, which is key. Here we can see some function, which is first is add and update password, the main function. Second is the get the password, which we added in the first step. Here the third function is the generate password, four is a password strange, fifth is a share password, and sixth is exit of the program. So here first we use the first option, which is add and update password, and we have to find out our service name, which is Facebook. Today login will be mark1221, and the password is mark123. So here we can see that the file is saved, and now we can also use the second option is a get password, and here we can see enter service name. We need to enter our service name. So here we use Facebook, and we can see that here's the login and password. Next, the main is share password, which is we can also the share password. So here we did it, share password Facebook. So here we can see that the service to share, this is a password exported to Facebook, and share this case securely, like it's for security. Next is we can see that we can stop this, and here we see the Facebook share. It's our password, which is encrypted. As you can know, before we used IS encryption, and that's it for my main part. So the next part is for Daniel. Daniel will describe the code.
Also, I want to show that if you press exit option in the chat, it will automatically save everything into Word encrypted. And if you open the IDEA projects, if you try to open this file with txt or any, it will be encrypted. So without master password, it won't open. And if you enter wrong master password, program wouldn't start. If you enter right one, the program will start.
As you can see, the main class was already explained to be handling user interaction and menu navigation. Let's look at the password manager class. It contains core functions like storing, retrieving, updating, and saving account credentials using map method, and methods from separate class CryptoUtils I will explain later. Next is account data class. It's just a constructor of login and password for single service. Now the CryptoUtils class. It handles all the encryption and decryption in the project. I used JavaX Crypto and JavaX Crypto spec libraries to write get decipher encrypting method, decrypt from file method, and get key bytes method used to turn master password into AES key. Last one is optional, password utils class that provides generate password and evaluate strength methods for additional password management.
This password manager project show why it is important to keep our data safe. Today we use internet for many things and we share a lot of personal information. If this data is not protected, someone can easily steal or change it. This can be very bad for companies and the people. To keep the data safe, we use IS encryption. Encryption is a way to hide the real information. Even if someone gets the data, they cannot read it without a special key. So, with IS encryption, our personal information is safe, even if the storage is not.